How you doing, people? About to give you my review. I'm OmniShaver. Been hearing so much good things about this brand right here. I've been through every single razor you could imagine. See my big old head? I shave almost every other day, and I can never get that cut, the one, you know? The one. If you're a bald man like me, you know what I'm talking about. But we gonna see. This product been amazing so far. It comes with a hot water tongue, so you can pre-rinse your razor. This is the OmniShaver right here. The shave butter. A lot of good things about this too. So I'm about to give y'all the rundown right now. See, okay?
Shave butter. See what we're fussing about. That's all I keep seeing. I see it everywhere. I had to try it. Okay? Okay? Smells good. Smells good. Oh my God. Smells good. Let's see what's up. See what's up. See how it works. Easy. Easy to take out.
OmniShaver, let's see. Comfortable so far. Feel it catching everything. It says don't stop till you finish. So this is something to get used to, because I'm usually have to rinse in between shaves. And I feel it catching everything. So I'm gonna do one smooth pass through, and we're gonna see where we at. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of it. No, seriously. Seriously, this razor's dope. I'm getting the hang of it. It's my first time using this ever, guys. I swear to you. Wow, you can see the difference right there, look. This is unshaven, this is shaved. Wow. Wow, look. Look at that. Okay. Okay. It says, please don't stop till you're done. No, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Check me out, guys. How we looking? How we looking, guys? Woo! Mr. Clean who? Mr. Clean who? Mr. Clean who? Mr. Clean me. Not bad. First run. Again, guys, this is my first time ever using it. So I'm pretty sure I gotta get used to it. But it's pretty easy. Like, I got it. Wow. Pretty comfortable too. I feel like a pro already. I feel like a pro already. Okay. Not bad, man. I like it. Not bad. I really, really like it. So what we're gonna do is now, also got this razor it comes with. Purchase it separately. It says for hard to reach areas. I'm gonna put another little bit more shave butter. Wow, my head feels so refreshed too. It's not irritated or anything. So take the cover off. Okay. Okay. This is for like the size, you know. Whatever you couldn't get with the OmniShaver, choose this right here. This product is amazing. I love it. I'm definitely buying another one if I ever need it. This stuff is sturdy. No, seriously, guys. Look at this. My first time ever. First time ever using it. This is pretty amazing. This is pretty amazing. My head feels so smooth. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like a bowling ball. I love it. I love it. And you have it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. It's pretty dope. I'll post some before and after pictures too, but y'all see it here. My head is super smooth. I haven't got a shave like this in a long, long time. I like it. OmniShaver, I like it. I will be back and I would definitely recommend it to everybody. Everybody. Thank you, guys. Had to come back. Had to come back. Wow. This product right here, 100% recommend. 100%. If you have a bald head like me, wow, I just had one of the most closest, comfortable shaves ever. First time using it and I love it. Handheld, I'm blown away. This is amazing. I had to look at the back real quick to see if it was some batteries or something that I didn't see, because it worked amazing. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it.